So, you're thinking about giving Goodbudget a shot, huh? You've heard the buzz about budgeting apps, and Goodbudget seems to be a popular choice. But there's one burning question on your mind. Does Goodbudget sync with your bank account? Let's dive in and find out. I know. In today's world, convenience is king. Being able to automatically sync your bank account with a budgeting app sounds like a dream, right? You wouldn't have to manually input every single transaction, and you'd always have an accurate picture of your finances. But is that a reality with Goodbudget? Well, the short answer is kind of. Let's break it down. Goodbudget doesn't offer direct bank account syncing like some of its competitors. You won't find that sleek, automatic connection where your transactions magically appear in your budget. But don't hit the back button just yet. Goodbudget does have some workarounds that can make your life a whole lot easier. First off, let's talk about the Goodbudget Premium plan. This paid version of the app does offer something called account linking. It's not exactly the same as bank account syncing, but it's a step in the right direction. Essentially, you can link your existing bank accounts to Goodbudget accounts. This means you can manually match transactions in Goodbudget to the ones in your bank account. It's not fully automated, but it can save you time and effort compared to entering everything manually. But wait, there's more. Even if you're on the free version of Goodbudget, you're not completely out of luck. Goodbudget allows you to import your bank transactions as a CSV file. It's a bit more manual, but it can still save you time if you have a lot of transactions to input. Now, you might be thinking, this is all well and good, but I still want that automatic sync. And I get it. It would be amazing. But let's talk about why Goodbudget might have chosen this approach. Goodbudget is all about envelope budgeting. It's based on the old school concept of dividing your money into different envelopes for specific categories. While automatic syncing can be handy, it might not align perfectly with this budgeting philosophy. Manually categorizing your transactions can help you become more mindful of your spending and make better financial decisions. So, while Goodbudget might not be the most automated budgeting app out there, it offers features to help you streamline the process. Whether you opt for the premium plan's account linking or the free version CSV import, you can find a method that works for you. But remember, budgeting is more than just syncing accounts. It's about understanding your spending habits, setting financial goals, and making conscious choices about your money. Goodbudget's focus on envelope budgeting can be a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.